this is Shomshikha presenting before you today's bulletin. First, the COVID-19 update. In India, the total tally of confirmed corona cases rises to 4,56,183, out of which 2,58,684 people recovered and 14,476 people lost their life. With that, 1,83,022 active cases in India till now. In Assam, the total tally of confirmed corona cases rises to 6,056, out of which 3,762 people recovered and 9 persons lost their life. With that, 2,282 active cases in Assam till now. Now, the national news. India and China have agreed on a gradual and verifiable disengagement from their over 50-day troop confrontation in different areas of eastern Ladakh, which will eventually lead to the two sides also thinning out their massive military build-up along the 3,488-kilometer line of actual control. The Indian Railways will refund the full booking amount of all tickets booked up to April 14 for all regular timetable trains, as indication of the national transporter not resuming the earlier regular passenger train services at least till mid-August. Currently, it's running only 230 mail and express trains as special trains, though the Railway Minister has repeatedly said more trains are likely to be operated to meet any demand. Sources said this may be branded as special ones as well. The Railway Minister on Monday issued a circular to all zones informing them about the decision to cancel all tickets booked on or before April 14 and to generate full refund of tickets. The new Ayurvedic drug Coronil Kit for 30 days was launched by Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev, which has shown 100% recovery rate within 3 to 7 days, said by Ramdev in a press conference. Now, the sports news. Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju on Tuesday said tournaments can start without spectators from August, even as the Indian Olympic Association urged flexibility in calendars depending on the situation. The minister conducted a virtual meeting with representatives of Indian Olympic Association and 15 national federations including wrestling, hockey, boxing and shooting to discuss the way forward in terms of training of athletes, participation in national and international competitions and organizing sporting events in India. Now the news from Northeast. Meghalaya government has issued a separate protocol ministers and officials of the state who went out of the state. Protocol has issued by the State Health Department on Tuesday. In a tragic incident, a 15-year-old class 10 student in Western Assam's Chirang district allegedly committed suicide on Tuesday morning after he failed to attend online classes and examination in the absence of his smartphone. The minor boy allegedly committed suicide by hanging himself from a tree near his house. Now the regional news. DC of Kutch Kriti Jhali flagged off rice distribution program for the beneficiaries under Garib Kalyan program in Shonai constituency. People who do not possess ration cards was distributed rice by Jhali at Kachudharam GP and Sundari GP. To carry out extensive drive in Silchar town and adjoining areas to detect person moving around without wearing of mask, some executive magistrates were given responsibility to impose spot fine upon the violators as per the order. The drive was started from 23rd June, that is from yesterday. That's all for today's bulletin. Have a nice day. Thank you.